Well, good morning. So Ratio and Rates Box 1E is going to be solving some problems with equivalent ratios. And we're going to need some tape diagrams. So today is going to be a good day to try to take all the words and put them into something visual. And I think that will really help. All right, so we're going to have two problems this morning. A county superintendent of highways is interested in the number of different types of vehicles that regularly travel within his county. In the month of August, and while I'm reading, I like to write down what the problem is saying. In the month of August, a total of 192 vehicles were registered for passenger cars and pickup trucks. Oh, we're going to have cars and pickups. Cars and pickups. Okay. The DMV reported that in the month of August, for every 5 passenger cars, there were 7 pickup trucks registered. Oh, I'm curious, what would the total number be if this were all of them? 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, all right. How many of each type of vehicle were registered in the county for the month of August? Oh boy, this could be, oh gosh. Well, let's try something. That is the total, the actual total. Let's draw a picture. Cars and pickups. Remember, your boxes should be same size when you make a tape diagram. Sometimes it helps to draw them both at the same time. So we've got 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 pickups. 5, 6, 7. That kind of helps have everything be same size. Okay, now let's figure out what we got to do. Well, we know the total number of registrations. So total would be all the cars plus all the pickups, which was 12. Okay, so if all of this is worth 192, then every box must be 1/12 of 192 because there are 12 boxes. So if we take 192 and divide it by 12, enter calculator, 192 divide 12 is 16. Okay, that means that every box must have 16 in it. Now, I hope you get the point because I don't want to waste your time you watching me write 16 in every box. But this is a great reason why we have all the boxes same size, because then you know that 16 must go in each box. Okay, so 16 go in each box, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes for cars. That's 16 times 5. Oh, 80. 80 cars. And 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 7 must be the pickups. Oh, gosh. Not times 17, Miss D. Times 7 is 112. Now, here's a way we could check. What's 80 plus 112? 112 plus 80, 192. 192. Boom. Okay. And this part is my answer. So I'm going to put that in a box. Okay, good. Let's try another one. So the same superintendent of highway is further interested in the number of commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles are like business vehicles, not like, well, I guess technically a business vehicle would be like the school's Suburban. That would technically be a business vehicle, but probably more like, businesses that are out to make money, like construction companies, milk trucks, the mail truck, stuff like that. Let's see. So he's interested in the number of commercial vehicles that frequently use the county's highways. He obtains information from the DMV for the month of September. Okay. Oh, let's use a different color. We're in the month of September. This is example 2, by the way, if you're following along. He obtains information from the DMV for the month of September and finds that for every 14 non-commercial vehicles, there were 5 commercial vehicles. So for 14 regular people driving around, there were 5 business vehicles driving around. Okay, if there were 108 more non-commercial vehicles than commercial vehicles, oh gosh, guys, that sounds confusing. Let's back up. Let's just draw this out. Non-commercial to commercial. Okay. Oh gosh, 14 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for commercial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 non-commercial. Awesome. Here's what they're saying. If there were 108 more non-commercial vehicles than commercial, that means these that are more than these, because you obviously see this as a longer bar, right? All these that are more than are going to be worth 108. All of these that were more than the commercial are worth 108. That's what they mean when they say if there were 108 more non-commercial vehicles than commercial vehicles. Okay? And now that we know that these boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes are worth 108 vehicles, how many go in each box? Oh, that's division again, Miss D. 108 divide 9, it's 12. That means each box is worth 12. If each box is worth 12 here, what are each boxes worth here? Yeah, 12 is 12 again, okay? That's why we make them same size so that we can help remember they're all worth the same amount. Okay. So how many commercial vehicles? Well, if each box is worth 12 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that must mean 5 times 12 is 60. Let's double check. 5 times 12, 60. That means 60 commercial vehicles. Okay, how many non-commercial? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 12, 168. I'll show you another way you could have done that. If these are worth 60, then these are worth 60, and 60 plus the 108 we already know is 168, right? Yes. So there would be 168 non-commercial and 60 commercial. Okay, so big hints for today. Draw out this little tape diagram simply because a visual really helps understand what even the question is asking. Like your first example 1 is going to have a ratio of 4 to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I drew that a little long. Okay, and it's going to say 1 is 50 more than the other. 50 more than the other. That means that whatever's more on this line than this line is worth 50. Turns out that's one box. Well, if one box is worth 50, what's this box worth? Yeah, 50, right? So then they're each worth 50. And drawing the picture helps to comprehend what the words are saying. All right, good luck.